Hey guys, welcome back and happy 2024. Come with me as I make this beautifully decorated Valentine's Day gift basket for the entire family. Now this basket is nice and big, as I mentioned. The inside is a bit plain, so I think I'm going to add something. Now I did find these two floral pieces that I think will go perfect in here. We may have to do some cutting and gluing, but let's go ahead and see what we can do. Now these two pieces were almost perfect for this basket, but we're going to need to cut just a little piece off. So I'm just making a crease here so I know where to cut. And once I've cut it, I'm going to put just a little bit of glue at the bottom of it, and we're going to have our beautifully created inside of the basket. Now that I see our pieces fit perfectly, I'm going to grab my glue gun and glue it to the bottom. Now you don't need to put the glue over the entire piece, just a few lines across and it should stick perfectly fine. Just going to quickly go ahead and glue the bigger piece, and again just a few lines will work, and then we can move on to the next part, which is the most fun part. We're going to look at all the goodies. First up, we have this really cute Valentine's Day pouch, maybe for mom. It has a notebook in it, as well as these eye gel pads. So let's go ahead and wrap this up in some really pretty paper. Now next up, we have this beautiful piece. Look at that red. It is so pretty. We can wrap this up and put something in it as well to make it a full treat. Now you can use this for a toothpaste and toothbrush holder, jewelry, so many different things. So here is item number 2 for a daughter or anyone else. I came across these really cool boxes. They're pretty neat. They're tiny. We're going to put them together real quick and probably put a little bit of decorative shredding in it just to give a little bit of cushion. Now this gift here can be for aunt. So let's go ahead and put some fun items in it. Now I love this to and from on the top of the box. That's so cool. Now we have something for dad, which is a heart-shaped basketball container. So we're going to go ahead and start filling that with some cool items as well. Now I do like to wrap up these gifts just to make that extra surprise fun. So now we have these beautiful glass tumblers for the kids. And let's go ahead and wrap these up. This red Valentine's tissue is so gorgeous. Happy Valentine's Day. I love it. Now let's go ahead and add some fillers. We have some veggie mini heart snacks, and we're just going to write some quick names on them. Now look at this tea tin for Nana or anyone. I love it. It is so cool. It doesn't even need wrapping up. So let's add some quick items. Now how fun are these little fortune cookies that are wrapped in pink and red, and they come with these nice little messages. I think these are so creative. We're going to add just a couple. Now we're going to rearrange the basket at the end and put something around the basket as well. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's quickly go ahead and put something together for Uncle. We have this beautiful car smelling item, and then we have some gum, and we have these heart-shaped Sour Patches. He will love that. Let's go ahead and close this up. And again, you can put the names in the boxes or you don't have to. The next one, we have this beautiful little bag that has all those little heart messages on it. Let's go ahead and fill this one as well. Now just take a second and look at the details on this gold container. I think this is my favorite piece. Now we're going to just put some of this beautiful tissue in here. Again, as some cushion, we have this amazing cologne. And then of course we're going to put that in the bag to give that added surprise. We're going to put some cotton candy in here. And then we're going to add something around the top of it just to give it that extra decorative look. This is so gorgeous. Okay, now we have something we can put together for our teen or preteen. We have this little perfume bottle. We have a little puppet, a necklace, and then we have these little fun glasses. I love those. So we're going to wrap this up, and then we're going to start to put our ribbon around the basket to make it that extra Valentine's Day look. Go ahead and stack my basket up, and then we can get started. Now we're going to add our snack fillers. Now if you wanted to make it extra creative, you can also add some roses that stick out of the basket. That will make it even more fun and gorgeous, of course. Now I'm adding our beautifully red-hearted mesh ribbon around the basket. I'm only putting the glue on the fabric hearts and not the actual mesh ribbon. This will make it stick better, and you don't need to put the glue on every heart. Just a few to keep it in place. Let's go ahead and finish this up, and then we're going to add one little item at the end. Now we can't forget our little friend, so let's go ahead and add him on the top, and it just makes the basket look 10 times better. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of this basket. Happy Valentine's Day!